In this tutorial, we're going to create our lists. After Save and Get Started at the end of Lesson 1, we arrive at the dashboard. You can either create a list from the menu at the top or create a list on the right. The first time you do this, a page appears to say that you have no lists. So hit the button Create a List. So let's go and create a list now. Before entering your details, MailChimp will advise on the best way to proceed. Enter a list name and give it a sensible heading, as this will be seen by your subscribers. Now your email address, which will receive any replies, and username they will recognize in their inbox. Then you need to tell subscribers why they are receiving your letter. So for example, you're receiving this email as you're a member of our society. Any changes to the address can be edited by clicking the edit box. I'm going to click Daily Summary of Activities and Save. You'll notice that we currently have no subscribers on our list, so we are going to look at how to add subscribers. There are two ways: adding them individually or importing subscribers in bulk. Click on Add a Subscriber. We simply type in an email address, first name and last name. And you need to confirm that this person gave you permission, and obviously as a member of your society they are going to give you permission. And click Subscribe. You can now see that the subscriber has been added, and you can repeat the process. We can now go over to View Subscribers and can see that our new subscriber has been added. They have a star rating of 2 because they have not done anything yet. Now, the other way of adding subscribers is to bring them in bulk, and we can use the import facility for this. To import from a CSV or text file, click on the box. Go to Browse. So let's look at an import. This is going to be a document that I previously created from an Excel file and simply exported as a CSV file. I can find this file on my local computer where I saved it. And double click, then Upload List. Now you can see that it started to import, and it wants us to match the columns that were in our original document with the MailChimp fields. So choose first name. For the second column, hit the edit button and choose last name. You will need to hit the Save button to proceed. And then the email address has already been matched for us, so just hit the Save button and go to Complete Import. You will notice that the subscribers that I added on my CSV list have now been imported successfully into my list. The other most common way of doing this is to copy and paste from an Excel document. So we just click here, and you can see in this box is where you paste the details straight from Excel into the box. Find your Excel document on your computer and open it in Excel. I previously created this list, so let's copy everything on that list, switch back over to MailChimp, and I'm going to paste it straight into this box. And once again we have to import list. As before, we have to match up our fields so we can clearly see that this is a first name, and in the second column go to last name. Hitting Save on last name will automatically update the email column, and all you have to do then is save and go to Complete Import. You can now see that the latest group has been added and that the number of subscribers collected has now reached 9, which you can see clearly next to the heading. This list is now ready to use. Our next tutorial will be setting up and designing a newsletter.